Mr. Rajkumar Singh to kindly have your seat. तो अब हम हमारे सक्सेस सेमिनार को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और हमारे जो नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हैं, हमारे जो नेक्स्ट मास्टर हैं, मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी स्टेज पे हमारे नेक्स्ट सेल्स मास्टर मिस्टर सागिर आलम. प्लीज वेलकम हिम. जोरदार तालियों से सर का स्वागत किया जाए. लेट अस वेलकम हिम. ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज. नाउ मैं मिस्टर सागिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी अपनी जुबानी बताएं.
Hi friends, good morning. I am Mohammad Saghir Alam and I am a full-time networker by profession. Before speaking to you, I would like to thank God for gifting this beautiful life to me and all of us and who has made it possible to get you to this wonderful platform called Atomy. After this, I would like to thank the entire Atomy India management team and Mr. Hang Gil Park, who has created such a nice platform through which a common person like me can be successful too. I also pay my respect to my parents who gave me a good education and have nurtured me in a way that I may become successful in my life. Today, I would really like to thank them from this platform. I would like to now thank all my uplines and seniors who have always supported me physically and mentally. I would like to specially mention Muhammad Riaz Haider sir, who has always stood by my side. Thank you. After this, I would like to thank all the Grow Line and my team who always believed in me and have toiled hard day and night. Because if not for them, I would not be able to achieve my sales master level. So, a special thanks to my Grow Line. Now, I would like to share briefly about me as to how did I come across Atomy. How did it all started and what was my thought process? I'll share briefly about it. So, I've been into MLM for the past 12 years and was enjoying it. The pay was good and I was earning in lakhs. But the problem was that these companies were getting shut down and this was happening frequently with me. Finally, I decided that I don't want to build networks every time and start at zero again. I thought of searching for a big company and I came across Atomy and I was overjoyed because I had a feeling that all my dreams would come true now. I researched a lot and started working actively. There hasn't been a single negative day since I started working with Atomy. We have been working continuously and today we are where we are. I was continuously supported by my kids and my beautiful wife. I would wholeheartedly thank my life partner today because it would not have been possible without her support at all. So, special thanks to my beautiful wife, Zahra Khatun. Friends, I want to share a lot of things with you, but because of time constraints, I cannot do that right now. But I would share a photo of my previous company, and hence, I was looking for a big concept. The day I came across Atomy, that was the day when I became successful in my mind itself. These all are just phases now. I visualize my dreams daily. I have printed and pasted 4 of my biggest dreams on my wall and have also mentioned dates alongside as you can see. And when the target is set in front of you, it is easier to reach there. I would like to thank all of you right from my heart. Thanks. Go Imperial Master.
Now I would request Mr. Sagar to kindly